Guys, JP here with my boy Trent. Today we are upgrading the Jaguar F-Type R with a rear diffuser from Vehicle Revolution. This is the Project 7 rear diffuser, fully carbon fiber. Okay, bring this over here. Yes. So this is supposed to slip over the factory little diffuser that comes on these cars. However, looking at these tabs, I think we're gonna have to unbolt ours, figure that out, get this on, and then crimp it or lock it down once it's set into place. So we're gonna go ahead and get this video started, you guys.
Hey, what's going on, y'all? Trent here. Sorry if I'm muffled. I'm currently underneath JP's car, but it looks like we've got some 10s underneath here. And what was the other one you thought it was, JP?
I think we got a Torx bit on either side of this lower factory diffuser. So it looks like it's going to be a T30 on the Torx, one on each end.
Yep, it's a
Took the gun when you got it.
Yep. Yep, that's all one solid. We're good there.
Okay, and then we get this Torx.
And if you want to pass that to me after.
You want to hit that Torx there?
Yeah. Since I'm already over here.
Yeah. Move the bolt and torque out of the way.
Yeah, if you're lucky like us, you'll encounter some pretty easy bolts to come out of this. After that, it looks like it's basically just snaps around the top perimeter of it.
Okay.
Oh, wait, hold on. Looks like just off the hanger for the exhaust, we may have something else.
Okay, off the exhaust hanger?
Right outside the exhaust. So I'm looking at...
Oh, I see.
Just on the outside. I can't tell what it is, though. It looks like a snap.
Oh, that's another.
Is it another Torx?
Yes, another Torx straight in.
Okay. Oh, yep. Okay.
Good call. There might be a few in the center, too, then.
Yep.
There's going to be a Torx, you guys, right on this edge. Straight in. And I'm being lazy. I could get my jack out, I guess, and jack this thing up a little higher, but it's pretty far forward in the shop, and I'm worried the front of it's gonna hit something. Get that one?
Yep.
All right, I'll get my side. Yep, sure enough. All right, here's one.
Okay, I'm seeing...
Right here, on those brackets you unbolted.
Yeah.
We can actually take those off with the Torx as well. I can get it on there. Okay. I'll pass that to you, take this out. All right, you guys, this is the bracket. You'll see it right under the thing. There's one Torx to the bumper and one 10mm to the floor of the car. And you can bend the bumper down if you need to, kind of to clear that exhaust. All right, okay. So according to Vehicle Revolution, you guys, like I said, this is supposed to snap in, but I don't know if it snaps in place of this old one or it slides over this. So we're gonna find out.
You starting outside or inside?
Let's start with the Let's see where we're at. I can get a flashlight in there to see what clip we need to release first. Yeah, those are just snap-ons, clip-ons. This one is, oh, okay. I'll have to unclip that. And if you guys have watched my Jaguar videos before, you'll notice that the entire rear of the car, the tail lights are now smoked. All the logos are blacked out as well. That's a little upgrade I did. I didn't make a video on it, but so let me get the.
You want to hand me the flathead too?
Oh yeah. Let me get this Torx out. Gonna shine that light this way.
Yep. You got light right now?
Yeah. All right. There we go.
Oh, that popped right out. That's nice.
There you go. Okay.
Well, that's that, I think, for holding that on, because it looks like the heat shield is attached to it.
Yeah. Okay, mine's coming off now. There we go.
What are you doing, just pulling?
You gotta push down on this, yeah, just like that, and then pull out. Yep. Push on that tab right there.
Whoa.
There's that. And now the front. I might have to like kind
Just
of.
want to make sure there's not any other.
Yeah.
I don't think there is.
Yeah.
There might be another one. Nope, now it's coming, of course. Leverage.
All right. All right, you guys. So that is the factory diffuser. So we're gonna figure out if that one slides over this one and goes back in, or if that one just goes in place of this one. We believe it does slide over your factory diffuser. It fits really nicely. Follows the same notch. It's going to be a bitch to get these in, but we're going to have to manhandle it and force them in. We'll go ahead and start getting this thing back together. All right, here we go.
Is it back in?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's back on. I just like you laying on your back. You know?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, there's your end.
Yeah.
So we're gonna try to.
Do you want to record?
It's on.
Oh, this whole time.
You got it finally. I don't know what you're talking about. Okay. All right. All right, you guys. We're gonna time lapse this so you can see how much of a struggle it really is. It's a bear, so we're gonna go ahead and time lapse this so it's not just this video of us grunting. Okay, still got a big ass. All right, you guys, what a pain in the ass, but it's coming together. This takes a lot of force, but it will click in. Getting everything to line up smoothly is kind of a pain. We got all the bolts in. I got to finish tightening the center bolts. We got one bolt out on that side still. I need to snug up. And then I'm going to run some self-tappers to make sure all these body lines look beautiful together. There is going to be some gaps. It's not a perfect cut. I mean, it's almost perfect. They could have done a little bit better job here and here on the corners to follow this shape a little bit better, but it's coming together. It's been a bitch, wouldn't you say?
Yes,
yeah.
yes, quite a bitch.
All right, you guys. A lot of that was time lapse because we struggled a bit. So we're not sure that you even need to pull off that lower valence, the lower diffuser, only because they said this should slip right over. And it does actually click in. I just don't see how it would have done it without pulling it all apart. Some pretty big gaps here and here on both sides, but they're even gaps. So we'll anchor this corner to the car with a self-tapper, and same thing on that side. But yeah, I think it looks, other than that, it looks pretty damn good. A lot better than the factory diffuser, and it sticks out a little further. Get some of that turbulent air actually away from the rear of the car. That's why we also have our wing sitting further back. So help with the drag, getting that turbulent air away from the car for aerodynamics. It's got a nice slope with the factory exhaust manifold, so that kind of acts as an air deflector as well. And yeah, so anyways, you guys, as for Trent and I, we're calling it a night. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, y'all.